Hi everyone, welcome to Saas Pro. In this video, you will learn how to insert a header in Excel and make your printed reports look clean and professional. Step 1. Open the Excel workbook you want to print because headers are mainly used for printed or shared reports. This ensures you are working on the correct file before making layout changes. Step 2. Click the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This tab controls how your worksheet looks on the screen and helps you switch between different viewing modes. Step 3. Click Page Layout to switch from Normal View. This view shows how your sheet will look when printed and makes the header and footer areas visible. Step 4. Click inside the left section of the header at the top of the page. This area is commonly used for company or document identification. Step 5. Type the company name in the left header section. This helps viewers immediately recognize who the report belongs to when it is printed. Step 6. Click inside the right section of the header. This section is useful for adding extra information like a department or project name. Step 7. Type the department name in the right header section. Adding this detail keeps your report organized and easy to understand. Step 8. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to access the footer. The footer is usually used for information that repeats on every page. Step 9. Click inside the center section of the footer. This position is ideal for page numbers because it is easy to spot. Step 10. Click the Header and Footer tab that appears on the ribbon. This tab provides built-in options for adding common header and footer elements. Step 11. Click Page Number to insert automatic page numbering. This ensures every page is numbered correctly, especially in multi-page reports. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more helpful Excel tutorials.